Okay, so you have changed out your stock indicators for some aftermarket, cooler, smaller, blacker indicators. Now, one of the issues that you run into many times when you change your turn signals is that they don't blink at the correct speed. The blinkers either blink too fast or too slow. Now, this is a pretty easy fix. The issue is with your flasher relay. So you need to get yourself a new flasher relay. Now, I have one here that I bought. Now, the relay is the thing that, if you ever turn on the turn signals in your car and you hear that tick, 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 that's this. That's the relay. So what this does is this just controls the rate at which the signals flash. So the relay that came with the bike is designed to work specifically with the stock turn signal. So when you change your indicators, many times they won't work properly. Now, the difference with this relay compared to the stock one is that this has a little adjustable knob right here. So when you turn this, it will change the rate at which your signals flash. Now, your turn signal relay is located back here, right behind this side panel. All right, so to take off the side panel, first you need to take off this panel with your key, so that way you can pop the seat off. And then right here, you need to unscrew for this side panel. Usually it's an Allen wrench, but one of the little tips a lot of people offer is to replace that Allen screw with a GoPro camera mounting screw. That way you don't have to use any tools to get it off. You can just simply take it off by hand. Easy like that. And so this side panel has the screw there. This other top part just pulls straight out and then you lift straight up. All right, so now that you get that off, you can see your relays. Now there's 5 relays here. 2 here, and the one we want is the one up here, the flasher relay. Now this is your main relay, your starter relay, accessory relay, and your fuel pump relay. And so the accessory relay is actually in the headlight. There's an accessory plug that you can use. So if you want to do something, and like I did, I added a USB adapter for my phone. I actually made a video about that. If you want to see how to add a USB accessory, it works great for the phone or if you have cameras, anything like that. Now, word on the interwebs is that these things are junky. And so they recommend swapping them out with a higher quality relay. I haven't done that yet. I've actually ordered them from Hitchcock Motors. I just haven't received them yet. And I'm not sure if I'll change them out right away or just kind of have them back up just in case something goes wrong. But the one we're concerned about today is right here. This is the flasher relay. And it's in this little holder on a tab that just has plugs into this little rubber slot. So all we need to do is push this thing forward. Give it a little wiggle. And this is it. This is the flasher relay. So all we need to do is unplug this and replace it with our new adjustable relay. So we plug this one here. You can see the little tab in the back which goes into this rubber slot here. But before we do that, we want to turn on the turn signals and adjust to get the blinking speed that we want. So now all we do is take a little screwdriver and with the insert it into the slot and turn, and we can turn to speed it up, or we can turn to slow it way down. So all you do is just get that Goldilocks just right of what you want for your turn signal. And that's pretty much it. So then the only thing we need to do is just put this back on, hook it on the slot so that way it doesn't rattle around, and button everything back up, and you're all set.